Technology has changed a lot.
Keypads.
We have never lost a key to this piece of equipment. Best thing in the world, the truth, because you don't know how many times I get this like, I don't know what my key is. Did you look on the dresser? Oh, well, it could be.
Matt, can you bring me some keys?
Yes.
I
And
think
that
we
truthfully
shipped
is
out.
the biggest thing in the world, is just to be able to go push a code and enter and off you go. You can control the people. If people are taking it, I'm sure I could reprogram it so that would stop it. There's no broken keys off in the key, in the ignition. There's a whole, it's unbelievable.